Hi, this is Luke from Toolbox Plus. Today we have a 2018 Kia Sorento, stock number 6031. This ran from 03-2015 to the 1st 2020. It's a D4 HP 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4 HP 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. The front mirror. Left rear door, one scratch. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 19-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.